Welcome to Lay's Kitchen, where we turn simple ingredients into something special. Today, homemade yogurt. No fancy machine, just milk from Costco. A bit of starter yogurt, hands-on, under 15 minutes. Step 1. Half-gallon whole milk in your pot. Kirkland from Costco is perfect. Heat to 180 to 195 Fahrenheit. Just till it steams and tiny bubbles edge up. Stir gently, no scorching. This wakes the protein from creamy set. Step 2. Cool to 110 to 120 Fahrenheit. Risk test. Baby bottle warm. Whisk a quarter cup plain yogurt starter. Temper with a cup of warm milk. Culture's ready. Step 3. Pour into jars. Wide mouth quartz rule. Place jars in a pot. Surround with hot water, about 110 to 120 Fahrenheit. Level to jar shoulders. Wrap pot in kitchen towel for insulation. Set pot in the oven with light on, 8 to 10 hours, undisturbed. Check at 8 hours mark for tasting, tangy, wobble set. Transfer jars directly to the fridge. Step 4. Strain half through a strainer or cheesecloth for Greek thickness. Wait for smoothies later. Step 5. Layer in a bowl for parfait glow. Bottom. 1 cup thick yogurt. Berries next. Sliced strawberries, blueberries, papaya chopped, whatever is freshest. Salted pumpkin seeds, chocolate quinoa crisps, honey swirl on top. Homemade yogurt to luxe yogurt parfait. Your weekend ritual. Thumbs up if trying. Thanks for watching Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders.